So hello everyone, welcome back again. So before starting the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Ghosal and I am currently pursuing my MSc in Mathematics and Data Science from IIT Rourkela. So as I mentioned in the previous video that I'll be starting a very brand new series, that is B.Sc Mathematics series. So today I will share with you that how would exactly start the series, like from where I will start the series, which topic I first cover, and there's a lots of things. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So yeah, this is I already told you the basic mathematics series, and yeah, that's I already told you that is about me. So that you already know, right? Yeah. So what about the series is? Okay. So what about the series is? So in this series, I already mentioned in the previous video that in this whole series, I follow the Calcutta University syllabus, right? So basically, if you are from some DU University, Beach University, or any other kind of universities, so I think that doesn't make any sense. If I follow Calcutta University syllabus, you cannot follow this series. Yes, 200% that you can follow this series, but since I am from Calcutta University syllabus, I am not Calcutta University syllabus. I am from Calcutta University, and I studied Calcutta University syllabus. So that's why I follow this. But if you are from any other university, so that doesn't matter. You can follow, and that I already told you that this is helpful for any BSc Maths student. And the most useful thing, and for that I start this series actually. This is for IIT JAM aspirants, like if you're a BSc students and you want to learn or you want to go into the very depth in your higher studies. Suppose you're from mathematics students, and if you want to do research in high mathematics, so you have to you have to first appear in JAM exam. You also appear in the GATE exam and any other kind of examinations. Okay, so mainly I follow JAM perspective. Okay, BSc perspective is okay. Like if you're from a BSc, there is in some college examination, so I will cover that thing. But main purpose is to clear your JAM examination. Okay, so this series is all about your college examinations and for JAM examinations. So what actually how I will teach you. So that is the main thing. How I will teach you. Like it's not really rocket science that how I will teach you. So first, whenever I like start a new topic, let's suppose group theory. So there isn't something. The thing is something different from the class 12. In the class 12, you think ki only formulas is okay. If you know the formula, you can know the problem. But here something is different. Okay, you have to do lots of theorem, you have to do lots of statement, lot of propositions, lots of lemma, and then only you can solve a particular problem. So in this series I will explain 50%. Okay, I will explain 50% theory. Okay, that is solve theory. I will solve the proof, okay, in very depth, but in a very simple way. Okay, as I always teach in a very simple way. Okay, so in depth, why? Because if you know the depth concept of any statement or any theorem, so you can solve a particular problem. And second most important thing, that is problem solving. I will do lots of problem. Let's suppose I will start a series on group theory. So in the very beginning I will not solve a problem, because you cannot solve a problem. Okay, because there is lots of thing. If you do lots of things, then only you can solve a particular problem. Yeah, at the very beginning I will do very basic problem. So until and unless you solve a problem, you don't know the real meaning of a particular theory. Okay, you cannot visualize the particular theory. Okay, and you don't know that where this theory I would actually apply, in which type of question I should apply this particular theory. So I will do these things, okay, for you. And this is the most important things. As I already said that I will solve a 50% theory or 50% proof. So sometimes full proofs and sometimes intuitions, means that sometimes I will do full proofs like 50%, and and the rest of the 50% I will solve, or I will tell you that how you can intuitively think about the particular statement or particular theory. Okay, I will visualize that how you can, I will tell you that how you can visualize the particular statement. Like if there is statement, like there is a statement of intermediate value theorem, so I will just tell you by graphically, you can understand that there is no meaning of doing this proof. But yeah, if you want to learn math, so you have to do proof. But if you want to just understand that it exactly says, so yes, you just do it by intuition, and that's I will do for you. So that's all about my teaching. So let's jump into the next slide, that is goal of the series. My goal is very clear, that is for exam perspective. And there is two type of examination, like once again, there is two type of examinations. One is your college examination, and other one is your jam, or you can say your gate examination, or if you are preparing for any other CUET PG examination, so you can go for it. Okay, but at the very beginning I start from jam examinations and your college examinations. Okay, so for college examination I will do your theory part, and for jam examination I will do a lots of problem. Okay, these two will be a different series. Okay, theory portion is in one playlist, and the jam questions in another playlist. Okay, and the very important thing that from where I will begin actually. Okay, from where I will begin, from where I will start the series. So here I wrote analysis, and in analysis I wrote topic sequences and series in real number. This is R, you already know that you already learned in set theory in class 11. So I will begin with analysis. That's a very complicated thing, I hope so. मतलब मेरे को अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है that I realize कि analysis tough होगा. Why? Because before doing your sequences and series in real number, you have to know the basic topology. You have to know the basic topology in real number. That is, you have to know what is open set, closed set, neighborhood, limit point, and lots of things like adjoint point, isolated point, Archimedean property, and there is lots of things. Okay, so you have to do the basic topology in real number, not in any topological space, but you have to do basic topology in real number, and then only I can start sequences and series. So if I feel कि sequences and series पहले नहीं करवाना चाहिए, so what I will do then, I will do group theory. Okay, I will start group theory, and that is under your abstract algebra. There is no space to write, like very uncomfortable places, like hostels are very uncomfortable. There is this one only table, there is lots of shirts over there, and I just sit on a bed, and I just wrote here just lots of uncomfortable things. Okay, whatever. So this is under abstract algebra, and in abstract algebra, if I don't start analysis, so I'll start with abstract algebra, and topic name will be group theory. Okay, and the main concept is very important. That main concept is your foundation of the higher mathematics. That I'm not your teacher, I'm just your guide. Okay, I'm just your mentor. Okay, treat me as your mentor. Don't say that you are my teacher. Okay, teacher is something different and mentor is something different. So my job is not to do just teaching you mathematics. My job is to make your foundation very 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 clear. Okay, if anyone, if you are like in the first year, and if you go on the third year, and if anyone tell me the definition of limit of a sequence, so I would expect that I would expect that you would tell her or tell him that yes, I know the limit of a sequence. And not only I will just know the definitions, I can also tell you that how it looks like graphically. Okay, how this expression actually means. Okay, whenever you will encounter with typical क्या बोलते हैं उसको, expression, yeah, when you encounter the typical expression, you will understand that what does exactly mean. You will not memorize it. Okay, you have to understand that what it says. Okay, so I will teach you right like that way. Okay, so that your foundation will be very 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 clear. So that's it for today. So in the next video, let's start a new journey, let's start a new series with very energetic form. So that I already told you, this series is for B.Sc Maths student, and if you're from if you are preparing for jam examinations, or if you're a jam aspirants, the both are the main same thing. So this series is for you. Next video here written as sequences in R, but as I already said, that is not confirmed yet. When I'm making PPT, so I just put it down. I don't think so sequence and series will be the best option. So stay tuned and keep learning. Okay, so that's for today. Thanks for watching the video. And one more important thing, that if you want to follow me like if you want to follow me in social media, so this is my page, where this is my institutional page, this is my personal page. I didn't post anything. Okay, my follower is increased, obviously I will post something. Okay, and I have some anonymous account, I have lots of anonymous account, like, and I already told you that I'm not your teacher. Okay, I'm just a mentor. I just want to guide you. So I have lots of anonymous account. If you can find me above in that anonymous account, so don't hesitate that ये बंदा तो पढ़ाता है, ये बंदा यहाँ पर ये भी करता है. So that's my personal thing. Everyone has an anonymous account in Instagram, I think, and you have to follow me in this YouTube. And if you want to follow in Facebook, you can follow. This is the Ghosal institution will be your institutional page, and this is my Pushkar Ghosal is my personal page. And the most important thing, if you don't want to follow anything anywhere, okay, you have to follow me on YouTube. And the major thing is your Telegram, because Telegram में आपको मिलेगा खजाना. I will give you lots of soft copies of book. Okay, I have 5,000 plus soft copies. Okay, in my hand right now, and I will do daily assignment if I post any video, and then after 24 hours I will give you an assignment regarding that lecture. Then I will there is a weekly or monthly test available, and also there is lots of things like daily quizzes, and there's lots of things I will share with you. If you want to go in this link and you will go into the channel, you will see that there is lots of things I have already written, so you can check out this. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Make sure to follow me, and don't forget to subscribe me in this channel. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye bye, and मिलते हैं आपके साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे.